Hey guys, welcome back to my new video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the network sniffer. And if many people don't know about what is network sniffer is a tool which sniff and monitors the data flowing over the computer network links in real time. Typical use of network sniffer is to analyze network traffic and bandwidth utilization so that the underlying troubles in the network can be identified. So how can we sniff the network? We basically sniff the network via Wireshark, which is free available too in GitHub and in Kali Linux or any Linux operating system. So Wireshark is a network or protocol analyzer, also known as network sniffer, available for free at Wireshark website. Wireshark is a world foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer. So let's go directly into the Wireshark and see some short video of Wireshark. How can we capture the data from Wireshark? Okay, we are in the Wireshark now. Now we're gonna choose wireless network connection from option, and the third one we're gonna choose this one and start. As you can see here, our scanning is started, and here you can see the protocols, and I'm gonna start the quick start file, which is also used for the scanning and network sniffing. Let's go back into Wireshark and stop the capturing the file. As you can see here, the destination ID and different protocols like ARP, DNS, TCP, FTP are being captured. Now tap FTP for seeing the FTP files. And click this one, no. Follow the TCP stream. Okay, first let's check into the temporary website. I will start that again and go to the website, which is Zero Bank. It's just for educational purpose. Don't do it for exploiting any bank and anything. So we can sign in. Let's see in Wireshark. I guess Wireshark has captured the file, that password file and username file. Okay, for now type http:/request method is equal to post, because we get our data or credential from the post request. Now we're gonna follow the TCP stream, and as you can see here, the user login, which is test alert user, and password is just let me in. So we successfully captured the packet from the Wireshark. So that's it guys. If you love the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep supporting till the next video. Peace.